Hello everyone, I'm Illinois Fire Alarms, and it is once again that time of year. It's National Fire Alarm Day. So for this year, I thought I'd do a bit of an interesting approach. As you can see, I have indeed two fire alarm control panels here. I never have shown my 4004 before until now, and I was going to make an introduction video on it, but never got around to it. So consider this video a warm welcome for it. But that's besides the point. In this video, I'm going to be doing some sort of a panel linking demonstration. As you can see, both the panels are in fact powered on, and I do have a system on them. On the 4004, you can see I have my 4903-9221 on top of it. And over there on the 4004R, I have a Simplex 2903 with, not sure if you can really see it, but it's a Federal Signal 450 horn. And all that other stuff on the board, that's just consider it a sneak peek for now. Otherwise, in the middle I have my Simplex 4251-21, and I have both panels hooked to it. So once I pull it, both the panels will go off. So in this first demonstration, the 4004 is on March time, and the main system for the 4004R will be on code 3. So let's go ahead and activate the 4251. So, as you can see, both panels have gone into alarm, so let's go ahead and start resetting everything. And there we go. Alright, so now I have flipped the coding options. So now the 4004 will be on code 3, and the 4004R will be on March time. So let's go ahead and pull this. Alright, let's go ahead and reset everything. You probably noticed the agent strobe is flashing. That's just because 4004R, of course, does not have an actual March time coding option, so I had to let it go through its agent release. But let's now reset the pull station. And then both the panels. Of course, there is no actual order here. Doesn't matter which one you reset first, because this is not an actual panel linking system. It's just linked by pull station. Alright, so this wouldn't be the end to a special video like this without doing continuous. So both panels have been set on continuous. So let's go ahead and do our final pull. so now time to do our final reset. And there we are. So that is going to be it for this year's National Fire Alarm Day special. Once again, happy National Fire Alarm Day, everybody, and I will see you in the next video.